When the Babylonians entered the Beis Hamikdash, the temple, to destroy it, a baskol came out, the heavenly voice that said, Hechala Kalia Kalita. You're destroying an already destroyed building. There's no significance to your actions. Don't be so proud of what you're doing. As the Jews have already begun to be exiled, the Shekhinah was already missing from the Beis Hamikdash. The divine presence wasn't there. There was no spiritual protection. There was no value. It was just a building. Stones, bricks. When we mourn the Beis Hamikdash, we're not mourning the building. We're mourning the Shekhinah being there, the encounter with the Kadosh Baruch Hu, the connection there. However, it's not missing entirely. Chazal tell us wherever we go, wherever the Jews are exiled to, the Shekhinah comes with us. The Lubavitcher Rabbi explains, the pasuk we learn, Hashrash HaShekhinah, that the divine presence is with us, says, V'asuli mikdash v'shochanti b'socha. They will build for me a sanctuary, and I will dwell amongst them. It does not say b'socho, amongst it, but b'socham, amongst them. So the Shekhinah comes from the neshama, the soul of every Jew. Every Jew coming together. When we gather together to learn, to pray, to do anything good, the Shekhinah radiates out from us. The Shekhinah is coming out through us, through our presence. In our shuls, about the madrashos, everywhere we're coming together, the Shekhinah is there because we're gathering together. When we mourn the Beis Hamikdash, we're not mourning the building, but we're mourning one place that the entire Jewish people can come together. That everyone can feel at home, everyone can be there, that we can bring our neshamos and the Shekhinah will be found there. The Beis Hamikdash is special because of our relationship to it, our connection to it, our gathering there in one place. As now our task, as we see the Shekhinah returning to Eretz Yisrael, as we see Yerushalayim being rebuilt, to take our gathering places and gather them together, to rebuild Yerushalayim, that we should become Ish Echad B'Lev Echad, one person, the nation of Israel as one person with one heart. That heart is Yerushalayim. We should rebuild the Beis Hamikdash so we have that one place to go, that Hashem can be Shochen B'Sochenu, amongst us, B'Yamhera B'Yameinu.